In this video, I will show you how to find your Ethereum wallet address on Coinbase. So in order to do this, you need to click on Transfer at the bottom right from the Home tab. So once you do that, you need to click on Receive Crypto. And from here, it will load. And now you have this option to select Ethereum already from the popular tab. But you can also search for it when it's not available for you. Type in ETH and then select Ethereum. And then you can see that it is on the Ethereum network as well. So go ahead and select Ethereum. And now you need to select the network that you want to have the wallet address for. So the most common one for Ethereum is the Ethereum network by default, but you also have different, as you can see, as long as you make sure that when you are transferring Ethereum, you are matching the networks on wallet 1 and wallet 2. Because if you do not match them, your crypto might get lost in the transfer. So always make sure that you select the same networks on the wallet that you're transferring to and that you're sending from. So I'm just going with Ethereum, and now I will have my Ethereum network wallet address. I can just go ahead and copy this to my clipboard, and that is basically how you can find it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.